Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video I want to show you how you can connect your Ray-Ban Meta glasses to your iPhone. The first thing that you got to do on your iPhone here is you have to go to Meta AI. If you don't have a Meta AI app, make sure to download that first. And then when you go into Meta AI, you go into the app, and then you want to hit Add Device. It'll be all the way to the right here in the bottom corner where the glasses are, and you hit Add Device. Add Device is going to show you, do you have Ray-Ban Meta or Ray-Ban Stories? I have Meta glasses here. I'm going to click on that. I have removed the tab. I've used this already. And then you want to turn over the glasses here, and there is an icon that is a button in the back of the case. So you want to click on that and hold it, and this will turn blue. So the case just turned blue, just like that, and you hit blue LED turned on. It's going to search for the glasses, and there it is. You click on it, and now it is connecting. When it's connect, you can continue the setup or yes to skip. I already know how to do this, but for you guys, it's going to be pretty simple. It's a really basic tutorial, but hit yes, skip, and then it's going to have you connect to your music, hands-free, customize voice settings. You can do all that now, or you can do it later in the settings. So I'll do this later, and that way your case, your glasses is already connected, it's already on there, and you're ready to rock and roll. And that's it, guys. If you have any other questions, any other concerns, if you love this video, leave a comment down in the comment box below. But until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.